Here's another book about hibernation called Bear Snores On. When you see this part in the book, Bear Snores On, you can read with me. This is another book about hibernation. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so she lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. What did she make? A little fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Who remembers what a hare is? It's a bunny rabbit, right? "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn and tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." It's nice to share. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch, but, remember this part? The bear snores on. Good reading. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. There's a lot of animals in there now, aren't there? They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but, remember this part? The bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. They're having a little party in there, aren't they? Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear, what do you think? What makes the bear do what? Who can predict? It might rhyme with stew. Who can guess? A small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Ugh. Why are they freezing? Are they cold? They're freezing because they're probably a little nervous. Oh no, what is the bear gonna think? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Whoa, those animals are taking off. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mo squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Oh, is that making Bear feel happy? Look at, he looks happier, doesn't he? Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end.